I absolutely love this quilt on my bed. So this is Sophia-Art, and this is an Indian quilt. This is how it looks. So mine is multicolor, as you can see. It has patches with different colors, and I loved it. Has like a silk patches, as you can see here. And the stitching, let me tell you, it is high quality, made of cotton. So make sure you just don't put it in the washer like any other regular garments. You want to go to the laundromat, and also you want to decorate your bed. They have different sizes in the bed with this quilt. Even if you want to lay on your bed and put it on, it's very fresh. So let's say that is if you're a little bit cold, you can also put it over some blankets. But this is just beautiful to give the bed some color, some decorations. It's great to match it with their pillowcases, and I just like the stitchings, the different colors that it has, different vibes. I love it. I love it as a gift as well, because this is great. This is how it looks on the other side. Let me show you. It looks plain red. So you can actually use it on this side as well. I enjoy the color patches. So I hope you like my review, and thank you for watching.